Thanks for visiting Build Up Trades, powered by Build Up Investments, Inc. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial professional. I am strictly sharing my experiences for educational purposes only. Please do your own research with whatever information you get from me or anyone else you get on YouTube or anywhere. So, with that said, let's get into it. The crowd versus you, the great paradox. In almost every area of life, there is safety in numbers. If everyone runs out of a building, you run too. If everyone says a restaurant is great, it probably is. But in the stock market, following the herd is the fastest way to lose your money. Welcome back. Today, we are breaking down the core philosophy of technical analysis, the crowd versus you. We're going to look at why you need the crowd to make money, but why you must stop thinking like them to keep it. The eBay model, understanding market value. First, let's clear up a misconception. You cannot simply ignore the crowd. Why? Because the crowd is the market. Think of the stock market like a giant eBay auction. It doesn't matter if you think a vintage comic book is worth $5. If the crowd is bidding it up to $500, then the price is $500, period. This is the difference between fundamental value, what it should be worth, and market value, what people are willing to pay. As a trader, you are trading market value. You are trading the crowd's emotion. To think independently, you first have to accept that the correct price is whatever the crowd says it is right now. Your job isn't to judge them, it's to predict them. The trap. So, where do traders get trapped? They get trapped in the narrative. When the market is crashing, the news is terrifying. When the market is booming, your neighbor is giving you stock tips. This is the herd. The herd is driven by two emotions, fear and greed. If you listen to the news, you will buy at the top, which is greed, and sell at the bottom, which is fear. Independent thinking requires you to shut off the noise. You need a lie detector. The solution, the chart as data. This is your lie detector, the price chart. The chart is the only honest record of what the crowd is actually doing with their money, regardless of what they are saying with their mouths. To think independently, you must become a data scientist of emotion. Is the trend going up? The crowd is optimistic. Ride that wave. Is the volume drying up? The crowd is losing interest. Watch out. This is the core rule of independent trading. Trade what you see, not what you think. The contrarian edge. Betting against the crowd. Now, here is the advanced move. There are times when you must bet against the crowd. This is called contrarianism. Usually the trend is your friend. But when the crowd reaches an extreme, when everyone is bullish or everyone is bearish, the crowd becomes mad. Volume spikes. Is everyone panic selling? Check the VIX. Is fear at an all-time high? Check the put-call ratios. Is everyone betting on the crash? When these indicators hit extreme levels, the independent thinker pauses. When the crowd is screaming, the world is ending, the independent thinker looks for a buying opportunity. When the crowd says, this stock can never go down, the independent thinker sets a stop loss. So In conclusion, thinking independently doesn't mean being a rebel just for the sake of it. It means having a plan that accounts for the crowd's madness without getting swept up in it. Don't let the pundits dictate your wallet. Look at the chart, trust your plan, and stay disciplined. If you want to know exactly which indicator signals that the crowd has gone too far, check out the next video on sentiment indicators. Thanks for watching and trade safe. Peace.